Okay, now, let's say we want to take the derivative of y equals 2 to the x, okay? Now, again, this is not e to the x. If it was the derivative of e to the x, what would the answer be? No. E to the x. Remember, e to the x was its own derivative. Now, the best thing I know to do right here, as far as this is concerned, I'm going to take the natural log of both sides, okay? So I'm going to say the natural log of y equals to the natural log of 2 to the x power. That's not calculus, that's just algebra. Therefore, the natural log of y would equal to x times the natural log of 2. Are y'all good with that? Okay. Now let's take the derivative of both sides, okay? What is the derivative of the natural log of y? It's 1 over y dy dx. Are y'all good with that? Alright, and that's equal to, this isn't really a product rule because natural log of 2 is a constant. So it's really the natural log of 2 times x. So what is the derivative of natural log of 2 times x? It's just a constant, right? So it's just going to be the natural log of 2. So 1 over y dy dx equals to the natural log of 2. But I'm wanting to know what dy dx is, aren't I? So let's multiply both sides by y. So dy dx equals to the natural log of 2 times y. Are we good with that? Okay, now, what can I do with that? Well, what was y here? It was 2 to the x, wasn't it? So it will be the natural log of 2 times 2 to the x power. Because this is your formula for the derivative of an exponential function. Now, so here's the, have y'all got that written down? So here's just what you need to know.
So it would be
the natural log, any constant raised to x, its derivative will be the natural log of a times a to the x.
Can I just come back in here ninth period?
Yeah, you can come back here.
Awesome.
I don't think that this is, I can't remember if this is necessary or not. I'll come back to that. Now, but think about what that means. The other day we said that the derivative of e to the x was e to the x. But,
doesn't E stand for just a
e is a constant. It's just an irrational constant. But if you think about it, it is right. What is the natural log of e times e to the x? Well, the natural log of e is 1, so it's 1 times e to the x, which is just e to the x. So we're good there. Now, no homework on that tonight. I just wanted to show you that real quick. Okay, I want to erase it.